Let's talk about cervical dysplasia. So cervical dysplasia is when you have abnormal changes to the cells on the cervix. These can be either genetically related or more commonly driven by HPV, human papillomavirus. And HPV is actually pretty ubiquitous throughout our community population now. A lot of people are carrying it. And so HPV is a herpes family virus. And so that means that anytime our body is stressed or out of balance, we're going to see any of the herpes family viruses rear their heads. So that herpes, Epstein-Barr, HPV, those are just some examples. So HPV can trigger these changes to the cervix. And so that can lead to an abnormal pap. And then if you get a biopsy, that will show us the degree of changes if it's just on the face of the cervix or on the inside. So depending on the severity of the changes and where the lesions are located depends on what treatment options we have. There's basically two things that have to happen no matter what. One, there has to be some treatment choice for local treatment, and we'll get into that. And there also needs to be therapies, treatment, working with your naturopathic doctor to improve the vitality of your immune system, of your biochemistry, your cells, so that we can try and put the HPV into remission and help your cervical cells heal from the inside out. So going back to the local treatment, if the cells are SN 1, 2, or 3, and they're just on the face of the cervix, meaning that canal is completely clear, that there is no concern for abnormal changes deeper inside, then you have the LEAP, which is where they're going to go and they're going to cut out the tissue. Or there's the escharotic, where we use herbs to basically burn the outside of the cervix, or we use green tea and turmeric vaginal suppositories that have a much longer treatment phase. But again, they're going to be more gentle to that cervical treatment. So depending on what's going on, where the lesions are, the severity of the lesions, what genetics are at play, we have a variety of local treatment options, plus working to improve your vitality from the inside out to give you the best chances to thrive.